What's better, building a PC or buying one?
Building one's pretty manly, isn't it? Because you can say you built it. I'd say you get more satisfaction from building one yourself.
Building PC is a lot cheaper.
And it's a lot cheaper. There ain't going to be no like warranty or anything if you fuck something up. Pretty much watching a couple of YouTube videos to like learn about the parts and shit. It's pretty much like building Lego, but it makes you sound like a fucking scientist. That's what it makes you sound like. I'm married, so I've never been able to try it out as a pickup line. But I reckon if I told a woman that I'd built my own PC, that's a guaranteed pickup line right there. Surely. Megan Fox. If I turned around to Megan Fox and said, Megan, I built my own PC, bro, that would be it. She'd mug off that skinny Machine Gun Kelly straight away and go, come with me, you manly ginger bastard. Come with me right now and build my PC as well.